In this video, I'll show you how you can migrate your WordPress website to the platform without losing any functionality or content. To migrate your site, first navigate to Sites. Then click WordPress in the top toolbar. Next, activate WordPress by clicking the blue button. Once you've activated WordPress, you'll have one site that's pending for setup. To migrate your site over, first select the site and then click From Blank. Then click Create WordPress Site. Once you've accessed your site, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you'll see Import Your Existing Website. Then click All-in-One WordPress Migration plugin in order to export our current site to a WordPress file, and then we'll upload it below. To do this, start by downloading the plugin from the last screen by clicking Download, or you can open up your WordPress account, navigate to Plugins, search All-in-One WordPress Migration, and then download the plugin from this screen. Within the plugin, you can click Export To and click File. Then your file will begin to export, and then you can download your website from here. Back in the software, we can then upload our .wpress file by clicking here, selecting our file, and then our website will begin to upload into the system. From here, then click Request for Migration, and the migration of the website will begin momentarily. And just like that, once your migration has been completed, your existing WordPress site will have been imported into the software. The WordPress plugin has a ton of functionality within the software, so feel free to poke around at things like analytics, users, plugins, themes, and so much more. This is a crucial part of setup, so I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.